For today's buttercream tutorial, I'll show you how to pipe a 4-leaf clover, also known as a shamrock, and these look great on St. Patrick's Day cakes and cupcakes. Attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. I'm using a green American buttercream and a number 150 tip. With the long end of the tip at the center, turn your flower nail, apply pressure, pull out towards the outer edge, dip down, pull back out, and then pull back to your starting point, releasing pressure and sharply pulling away. We're going to need to form 4 of these heart shapes for our leaf segments. You'll see here that I'm turning the flower nail the entire time. So we're going to apply pressure, pull up, dip back down, pull back up, and then dip down to your starting point, releasing pressure and sharply pulling away. We're going to add a 4th segment to our 4-leaf clover here. As always, all of these instructions, as well as the buttercream recipe and coloring details, can be found down below. Apply a small amount of pressure to add a stem, and that is how you pipe a buttercream shamrock. I'm just going to touch on some angles here quickly. As you can see, the long end is at the center of the flower nail, and it's actually touching the parchment paper. The end that's facing out is just above the parchment. The flower nail is turning this entire time, and I'm just moving my tip out, back down a bit, back out, and then back to my center starting point. To add your stem, hold your tip about 1 millimeter above your piping nail and apply a small amount of pressure. Place your finished shamrocks in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then you can transfer them to your St. Patrick's Day cake or cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.